Ever watched ants do their thing and wondered how they never seem to get confused about who's who in the chaos? We are bighomeprojects.com, your go-to website directory for trusted contractors and job opportunities, and here are 10 intriguing facts about how ants recognize each other. Number 1. Ants basically wear a chemical name tag called cuticular hydrocarbons, CHCs, on their skin. When they bump into each other, they use their antennae to sniff out if they're part of the same squad or not. It's like their own version of a barcode, and it changes a bit depending on where they've been or what they've eaten. Number 2. Those antennae aren't just for show. They're like a Swiss Army knife for communication. Ants tap, smell, and even pick up on tiny vibrations with them. So when you see ants touching antennae, that's them saying, "Hey, you with us?" Number 3. The queen ant's got her own special perfume. Pheromones that keep everyone in line. Her scent tells the workers to chill on the whole reproduction thing and just focus on the job at hand. Number 4. If you've ever kicked an ant mound and they all come running, that's alarm pheromones at work. One ant gets spooked, drops a chemical SOS, and suddenly everyone's on high alert. Number 5. Ants lay down trail pheromones like a GPS when they find food. And the stronger the trail, the better the food at the end. It keeps everyone moving in the right direction and cuts down on wasted effort. Number 6. Ants also talk with touch. Think of it like a high five or sharing a snack. When they pass food mouth to mouth, they're also swapping important info about who's who in the colony. Number 7. Some ants even get noisy, making sounds by rubbing their bodies together, which helps them coordinate when things get hairy, like during rescues or emergencies. Number 8. While not all ants have the best eyesight, a few species can actually recognize each other by how they move or certain body markings, which adds a little backup to their chemical ID system. Number 9. Every colony has its own signature scent, so if an outsider shows up without the right smell, they're getting kicked out. No questions asked. Number 10. Ants are pretty flexible. Things like weather or what they eat can change their scent a bit, but they're always recalibrating by hanging out with their crew so they don't lose track of who's on the team. If you want your next project to run as smooth as an ant colony, where everyone knows their role and communication is on point, check out bighomeprojects.com and connect with your own team of trusted pros.